Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about speaking English fluently. Many people want to speak English well, but they don't know how. Can you become fluent in English? The answer is yes. In today's article, I will show you how to do this step by step. First, what does fluent mean? Fluency means speaking English easily and naturally, without stopping too much. You do not need to speak like a native speaker. You just need to communicate well. Even if you make some mistakes, that is okay. The important thing is to express yourself clearly. Fluency is like water flowing in a river. When you are fluent, your words flow smoothly, and you don't have to think too much before you speak. Fluency is about being able to talk about simple things, like what you did today, or what your favorite food is. Now, can you become fluent in 5 months? It is possible, but it depends on how much time and effort you spend learning. If you study a little bit every day, you can make great progress. Here are some steps to help you reach fluency. To speak English fluently, you need to practice every day. You don't have to study for hours. Even 30 minutes a day can help a lot. You can listen to English podcasts, watch short videos, or read simple English articles. The key is to make learning a part of your daily life. For example, you can listen to an English song or podcast while you have breakfast. You can review new words during your lunch break. In the evening, you can watch an English TV show or my video. By making English a part of your daily routine, you will learn faster. You don't need to know thousands of words to be fluent. Start by learning the most common words and phrases in English. This will help you talk about everyday things, like your family, your hobbies, or your favorite food. For example, words like hello, thank you, eat, go, and play are used very often in English. Learn these first. Once you know these common words, you can start putting them into sentences. You can say things like, I like to eat pizza, or I go to school every day. This way, you can quickly start having simple conversations in English. To become fluent, you need to speak a lot. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you speak, the better you will become. You can talk to yourself, find a language partner, or even practice with friends. If you can't find someone to speak with, you can record yourself speaking and listen to your voice. It's important to speak English out loud, not just in your head. By speaking out loud, you train your brain and mouth to work together. This will help you speak more naturally. Listening is a great way to improve your speaking. When you listen to English, you learn how native speakers talk. You can listen to English music, watch movies, or listen to podcasts. Try to understand how people use words and phrases. You don't need to understand every word, but try to get the main idea. For example, you can listen to an English podcast about your favorite topic. This way, you will stay interested, and it won't feel like studying. The more you listen, the more you will get used to how English sounds. Learning a language takes time. Don't get frustrated if you don't see progress right away. Keep practicing, and you will improve. The key is to stay focused and practice regularly. Everyone learns at their own speed, so don't compare yourself to others. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is to keep trying and to enjoy the process. In conclusion, yes, you can speak English fluently. By practicing every day, focusing on common words, speaking often, listening to English, and being patient, you will become a better English speaker. Remember, fluency is about communication, not perfection. That's all for today's lesson. Now, I'm going to ask you 2 questions about today's article. Write your answers in a comment down below. 1. How can you practice speaking English every day? 2. Why is it important to focus on common words first? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time.